Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to block someone who has blocked you on Twitter. Blocking back can help you maintain your privacy and avoid unwanted interactions, even if the other person has already blocked you. So, let's get started on how to block someone who has blocked you on Twitter. Start by opening the Twitter app on your device. Go to the profile of the account that blocked you. Now, tap the three dots icon up in the top right corner. Tap on block. Again, tap on block to confirm. And that's how you can block someone who has blocked you on Twitter. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.